iTouchless 13-gallon stainless steel automatic trash can with odor-absorbing filter, white opening sensor kitchen trash bin, powered by batteries, not included, or optional AC adapter, sold separately. Unconditional warranty. You get a full-service warranty including parts and dedicated customer support. Your 100% satisfaction is guaranteed. 100% touchless, just the motion of your hand opens the lid automatically. It's the hygienic and convenient choice. Control Odors. One Natural Carbon Odor Filter is included to absorb and neutralize trash odors for a fresh and clean-smelling home. Extra long battery life, only draws power as needed. 3x battery life of other sensor cans. 4D size batteries, not included, can last up to 1.5 years. 2 power options, powered by batteries, not included, or optional AC adapter, sold separately. See other product variation for battery-free power. Stainless steel, germ-resistant, fingerprint-proof surface is easy to clean. Modern design is perfect for any kitchen or office decor. Space plus money saver, efficient rectangular shape fits in tight spaces and corners. Fits common 13-gal trash bags, no expensive custom bags required. Large capacity, efficient design requires no inner bucket, providing 25% more capacity than similar cans. Extra wide 12-lid opening for bulky items. Premium features, retainer ring prevents bag falling in. Air vents create airflow to ease bag removal. Non-skid base. Manual open-close buttons. With the new Reflex Quick Open technology, during lid closing, it will instantly open again if objects are detected in sensor zone.